Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do an audio test of two Bose portable systems in the SoundLink line. I'll be comparing the Bose SoundLink Mini II with the Bose SoundLink Color. I would say these are both entry-level models in the Bluetooth speaker category from Bose. The SoundLink 2 retails for about $180 and the SoundLink Color is about $120. Now I know there are some people that love Bose and some that think their products are overpriced. And more often than not, the comment section of any Bose review ends up being a flame war between these two groups. I have a few Bose speakers and I do like them. The sound quality is very good and they've been very reliable. But I also have other speakers, both more and less expensive, so I like to think I'm not too biased here. Anyway, this isn't a full review, it's just a sound comparison between these two Bose Bluetooth speakers. And of course, let me say this, if you're buying speakers, you really need to go to a store and listen to it. Even if you're comparing a $100 speaker with a $1,000 speaker, you may not even hear much of a difference on a YouTube video, so take this for what it is. So at the end of the video, I will give a few thoughts on how they sound different in person, and when I'd recommend one compared to the other. Okay, let's have a listen. Okay, so there you have it, a comparison between the Bose SoundLink 2 and the Bose SoundLink Color. So you may not have even heard a difference in this video, but I can tell you that in person there is one big difference, and that's the bass. The SoundLink 2 on the left, compared to the SoundLink Color, has significantly deeper tones and a much stronger bass than the SoundLink Color. And because of this, the overall sound experience is just richer and more satisfying. The loudness is comparable, the clarity also pretty much comparable. The SoundLink 2 may have a bit of an advantage there at higher volumes. So the real question is, does the extra bass on the SoundLink 2 justify an extra $60? Well, if this is your only portable speaker and you're going to be generally using it inside around the home, I'd say it does. However, if you're going to be traveling a lot with this, using it outside, throwing it into a bag, then I'd actually go with the Color. As you heard, the overall sound quality here is quite similar, and unless you had a direct comparison like this, you wouldn't really have the Color and think there's something missing here. You wouldn't notice that there's less bass. The Color's construction is just going to give it the advantage when it comes to scratches, bumps, and dings. The Color is the one that I take with me when I travel, and it's probably the one that I'd recommend for kids also, but for around the home, the 2 is the winner for me. If you are looking for an entry-level Bluetooth speaker, and you already know that you do want a Bose, I don't think you can go wrong with either of these two speakers. You just need to be aware of how you intend to use it. If you're not committed to Bose and you want to look at other brands, the one that I would recommend is the JBL Charge series. Costs about the same as the Color, but has significantly deeper bass. So it's certainly worth having a listen to that and putting that one on your short list also. Anyway, that's it for this comparison. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more. We'll see you next time.